is just after 5 a.m. And we are getting ready to head to the airport. We're here at the hotel, getting to go on a trip. That's pretty exciting during all this coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it, nonsense. Pretty exciting to get out and do something. Pretty excited about where we're going. You guys will see that in a little bit, probably later in this video. I probably put it in the title, honestly, so you probably already know what we're doing. But nonetheless, it's exciting. We're not there yet, but we're getting ready to head to the airport and fly out. I just wanted to show you a quick little view of our hotel room we stayed at. We stayed at an Aloft here near BWI Airport and the Arundel Mills area, if you're familiar with BWI in Baltimore. So pretty nice hotel, pretty happy with it overall. A little bit of fit and finish issues, some things were done a little sloppy, but overall really like the room, really cool hotel. So let me show you what the room's like. Alright, so here is the front door, and right as you come in you have your vanity area. Sorry it's a little messy. I mean, this is after we're about to check out, so we've definitely used the room, but nonetheless it gives you the idea. So you have this nice big counter space, a nice vessel style sink, which is pretty cool. This mirrored like barn door style thing to the rest of the bathroom. And then this is your closet area. You have these, like, all your clothes face you on these hangers. I mean, I think it's pretty cool looking, something different. Nice departure from a regular hotel room, I'll call it. A little area, got a coffee maker, ice bucket, a safe down here. And then you do have a mini fridge down here under the sink, everything. So coming into the bathroom, you have your toilet here, a nice glass shower. With a little frosted like window to the bed area, so that's a nice little design touch. Things like just the colors and everything here make this hotel pretty unique. I like this carpet a lot. But coming out of this bathroom area, you have a desk straight ahead of you here with a Jollby included in every room. But you have your phone, your desk chair, everything like that. You have your TV mounted right there, and a matching kind of storage area to the desk over there. And then you have this cool bench underneath the TV. And then this is a 2 queen room, so you have 2 queen beds right here. Then in between you have controls for your lights, and then you have this super nice 4 USB 3 outlet charging station, so you don't necessarily have to use your power bricks or whatever for your phone, which is really nice. I really like that, just like to see that kind of thing in rooms. Here's the other side of that window from the shower. Just a little bit of a, I guess, had a cool design touch. And you have your windows on each side of your TV here. We have the shades pulled down because we were sleeping, which really didn't matter because we were waking up when it was dark, so not sure why. But I like this cool little touch. You got good night in a couple different languages, and just a nice roller style, again with the cool design touch of the like pixel color design here. But we'll look out here and try to look through the reflections a little bit. You got the highway over there. You have Maryland Live Casino is right over here. Arundel Mills is over in that area also. You have a Bass Pro Shop right here. Just a couple different things. Really nice area. Got a lot going on. But yeah, nice hotel, good price. Very happy with it. So that was just a quick look at our hotel room here at before our flight from BWI. I hope that was helpful in showing you what an option is for you before your flight. Definitely would recommend. This was one of the cheaper hotels in the area, but I think very good value for what you got. It's a Marriott property, so that's always a good thing in my book. But that's it from the hotel. We will see you guys at the airport as we head out.